Hi, my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager for Ecosystem Development and Social Business Evangelism, and welcome to our Social Business Coffee Break. And today, in our coffee break, I want you to meet our new Generation C. This new Generation C, I think, is quite interesting. They are connected and they are in control. If you think about today, the world is undergoing some just profound changes. 140 million active Twitter users every month, 2.4 billion people online. As that breaks down, we're seeing India and Indonesia and China leading that growth. 70% of people online trust a friend's recommendation, and 77% of B2B buyers, they check with their peers before buying, and they actually have a decision made before they even call your company. So this whole world has undergone such a different change. So our Generation C has grown up in this world. And this Generation C is interested in co-creating with you, having a conversation, being creative overall, having control. They don't want someone else to control what they see, what they do. They're connected. They form communities. They work in groups. They communicate with each other. Generation C is a very powerful group that's changing businesses in the way that they market. The way I like to frame it is we're really moving from the concept that had been branded one-to-one marketing now to continuous customer engagement. So if you think about one-to-one marketing, we viewed it as marketing versus all customer interactions. You know, I meet someone at a cocktail party, I interface with them on Twitter, employee meets them. We're also moving from having a controlled and planned campaign. You know, you plan it out from A to B to being agile. And it's not a funnel anymore. Things come in all the time. You're not just opportunistic and reactive, you're real time, you're location aware, and you're sensing things that are happening and providing information based on that sensing. You're really not looking at own media anymore. You're looking at how you earn that media to continuously engage that customer. And this is all taking place because your customer is assuming that with all these channels that are out there today, they're going to go in online sometimes, mobile sometimes, through the call center online. They're assuming that you are going to market to them, talk to them as if they're one entity. No matter where they come in, if they use mail or social, they assume there's one person who's behind all those channels guiding the dialogue and guiding the relationship. But if we're all really honest, what a lot of us look like is a whole set of little silos, right? You've got one person who looks after online, someone else who looks after social, someone else who looks after kiosks. And so we're not set up for this new Generation C, and we need to be to have a true multi-channel strategy. Now, the result of this disconnect today, I think, is really, really sad. In fact, the latest Forrester study said that between 2008 and 2012, the number of brands that have reported as excellent customer experience has declined from 11% to only 3% of companies have been rated with excellent customer experience. Now, I want you to be one of those, so I've created 5 steps to help you create a great customer experience. So first, collect what you know about your customers, understand it, have that be real time. Analyze that data. Make sure that you're understanding that customer, but end to end, not across one channel, across multiple channels. Decide how you're going to personalize those engagements and connect the dots between those silos. Then deliver that message at the right place, the right time, whether that's using mobile devices, location-based devices. Make sure you're getting the message there, the context in the right content. And manage your campaigns in a continuous fashion, going across all those multiple areas. It's not easy. One of my favorite sayings is culture eats strategy for lunch. This really is a cultural change, but the benefits, if you can do this right and meet the requirements of Customer C, are huge. My name is Sandy Carter, and this has been our Social Business Coffee Break.